Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm super excited to show you guys how I created this look. I absolutely loved the way that this look turned out. I didn't really have a plan for this look when I was creating it, but when the flash hits that eyelid, girl, you will be shining and it looks so gorgeous. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing, as usual, is priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light. And this is the concealer that I use to carve out the bottom half of my brow as well. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my eyelids and then buffing it out with a wet beauty sponge and setting it with some translucent powder. For my brow bone highlight today, I'm using my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know that that is my favorite brow bone and inner tear duct highlight. It's just my go-to. Nothing shines and nothing is as bright and as pigmented as that product. So it's just my go-to for those two steps. And then this palette right here is the Morphe 39A Dare to Create. And it's honestly one of my favorite palettes at the moment. That's why it looks so beat up, because I'm always using it and I'm always using the transition colors. So I just went in with that orange toned shade in the crease. And then I'm grabbing this brick color with my angled brush, and I'm just going to start to add definition in my crease, and I want my crease to be very defined for this look. So I'm just applying this a little bit above my natural crease, and I'm just going in left and right motions. And then I'm picking up this small blending brush, and it is a little tapered. So I'm just going in left and right motions over that line with the transition shade that we first applied. And I'm just using that to help me blend out this line. And you're going to see me build some more depth into that crease. But these are the main two shades that I'm going to be using in my crease for today's look. And then to cut my lid, I used this angled brush right here. It's by ABH. And I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light once again. And I'm just cutting the inner half of my lid. I'm not taking it all the way out. And then I'm picking up this new palette by Morphe. It's called the 35M, and I'm picking up this shade first called Bold Moves, which is a shimmery lime green shade. And I'm just applying this all over my lid. And I did apply some Fix Plus to my brush just for a little bit extra pigmentation. But nonetheless, I think that it was a good eyeshadow, and I think it's a pretty color. And then I picked up another shade from the palette called Pop Star. And this shade was a little disappointing. It just didn't really pop up as much as I thought it would, but it was still pretty. It was just, I guess, really similar to the first shade that I laid down. And then I picked up the transition shade, the first one that we applied in our crease. And I'm just starting to add that to the outer corner, and I think that it really applied a nice touch to the look. It made it look a lot more blended, and it just added a little bit more dimension. So next I applied some glitter glue by NYX to the center of my lid, and then I went over it with some glitter. This one's by Shop by Levoss called Holy Grail, and it's one of my all-time favorite gold glitters. So I just applied that to the center of my lid, and I tried to apply it in the most blended way possible. And then I went in with my angled brush and added a little bit more depth to my crease, and then went into this really tiny tapered brush and my transition color to help me blend it out. And then I thought it would be cool to add some more glitter to the crease, so that's exactly what I did. I grabbed this brush and I applied some NYX glitter glue to the crease, and then went over top with that same glitter that we applied on the lid. For my lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella lashes in the style Jamaica. The link for these lashes will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm picking up my transition color, buffing that onto my lower lash line, and then more closely to my lower lashes, I went in with the brick shade that we applied in our crease. So next, I just went into the first transition shade to help me blend that lower lash line out even more, just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then I went in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes. If you want your lower lashes to look really long and voluminous, I highly recommend that mascara. And then I'm just applying my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to my inner tear duct, and then adding a little bit more onto my brow bone. And then the last step for this look is just grab a spoolie and run it through some bar soap and then run it through your brows. And I just love the wispy natural look that it gives to my brows. And yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And as always, if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaways, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!